Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Yagya
and this is Yesha.
So this is the video about us reviewing these products. These are so good.
Yeah, it's been 15 days
जब से हमने use किया है. And these are skincare products. We'll tell you every step. We have 4 products. The first is face wash. Third is serum and the fourth is cream. So we're gonna start with it. Let us tie our hair. I choose quite light hair tie. Alright, we are done with tying our hairs. Okay, first product we are using.
So I like that this has come with an applicator cover.
Yeah, जो कि this brush को protect कर सकता है, clean रखता है, and the brush is really soft. Now, vitamin C foaming face wash is a skin reviving face wash that helps to refresh dull skin by gently removing layer of dead skin.
तेरे dimple में जा रहा है.
I'm done. Now I'm going to wash my face. The face wash comes with a built-in face brush with gentle silicone bristles to help give your face deep cleansing on surface and helps to cleanse out the pores. I have washed my hair. I have washed my face now. And now we're gonna use the second product that is a must. That is a must and is a mist. That's right. So this is how to use it. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Hold the bottle few inches away from your face and spray the mist on your skin. Let the mist settle on the skin. Then gently dab your face with your palm. Feel your skin get dewy, soft and fresh. Okay, my skin feels a little bit of, like something is healing. जब कोई चीज़ heal होती है, so you feel a little bit of, tingling effect. एक तरह से. That is what's happening on my skin right now. The third product is this is the serum. It is very cute process. Apply a pea-sized amount of serum on the cleansed face and neck. Dab and press it into your skin. Do this for a minute to allow the serum to get soaked into the skin. मुझे अब पता लग रहा है कि अब मुझे फोरहेड पे क्यों ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Because I got threading करवाई थी आज ही फोरहेड और आईब्रोज की. So I'm feeling a little good. So be careful जब आपकी थ्रेडिंग आपने कराई हो, तो उससे नेक्स्ट डे आप ये प्रोसेस कर सकते हो. It will be better I think. And इस सीरम से मेरे को ज़्यादा रिफ्रेशिंग लग रहा है. I don't know. Like it's healing type of. Yeah, so different perspectives. See, uska alag hai. She's feeling much more better with the serum. I was feeling little fresh with that toner. Also because I had a day out and after coming home, I need some refreshing thing type of, है ना? So this is what is helpful for me. And the last step is to apply the cream, and then we are done. Then we're done. Okay, the thing I liked about this cream, you can press and the cream comes out. You don't have to put your finger inside if you don't want to make it messy. Like girls का यही होता है कि बड़े nails है तो उसमें अंदर चले जाते हैं. Then you have to take it out, but nails are never clear, so you should not do this and this. मैंने देखा है कुछ ऐसे करती हैं, ऐसे लेती हैं and they apply it like this. They should actually, because ये side clean होता है, अंदर वाला side clean नहीं होता है ज़्यादा. Take a small coin size amount of the cream, dot it all over your cleansed face and neck. I don't really do that dot वाला thing, but इस cream से I think I have tried some new techniques for my face. Massage using fingers with upward stroking motion from inside towards hairline and from neck to jaw for best results. You can use it twice daily. We also apply the sunscreen after this routine. Feeling fresh and ready for the night. Alright, so guys, we want to tell you something that is very, very important. That is, my skin type is kind of like sensitive to acne. मेरे से ज़्यादा है इसकी sensitive because I didn't have that phase जिसमें मेरे acne हो, but she had that and she has gotten over with it. It has been hormonal. This is good for me to maintain my skin as healthy. Yeah, these products definitely help the skin. Maintain करने के लिए भी कुछ करना पड़ता है, right? कुछ लोग diet करते हैं ये वो, but I recommend you guys to do this so that आपके pores वो close हो जाए, है ना? And dirt नहीं घुसेगी ऐसा type. My skin is actually normal. Like I want it to be. Sometimes acne हो गया, वो rare होता है. आप लोग ये मत सोचना कि इतने सारे वो layers use करें अपनी skin पे तो काफ़ी thick feel होगा. That's not it. Because these all have a thin layer and cream लगाने के बाद आपको काफ़ी soft feel होगा. That is the thing I love the most. जब भी मैं use करती हूँ, मतलब हमेशा अच्छा लगता है कि you want to feel soft on your skin, even if it's your body or your face. तो वो soft feeling के साथ जब आप सोने जाओगे, चाहे आपका वो night routine है या day routine, सुबह उठ के है, so you will feel very fresh to start your day. And ऐसा लगेगा like you are healthy, एक productive day type लगेगा, एक अच्छी सी फीलिंग आएगी. आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
पर्सनली वी फील रियली गुड. आई होप इस वीडियो को देख के आपको थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिली हो कि हाँ वी गॉट टू डू द स्किन केयर, वी गॉट टू बाय दीज.
स्टॉप प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग.
Get this seed pouch with every order from Wow Skin Science. Plant it at your home and watch it grow. Join us in building a greener tomorrow.
So if you want to buy these products, by this video, you can get a discount of 20% off with our coupon code Yagya Yesha 20. You can go and buy these products, all 4 of them, at buywow.in.
Take care of your skin, take care of yourself,
take care of your hair, everything. Your body is very
precious.
At the last, we just want to say, add the wow factor to your skincare routine with natural products to promote a healthier and more magnificent you. We wow naturally.
So like,
comment, subscribe and share this video ahead as much as you can to spread how good these products are. Okay?
Thank you so much guys for watching till the end, and we hope this was helpful for you all.
Yes. Bye.